out Padre Island. Go show them what you're using, Zach.
Right here we're using the FP3 popping cork, 3 peeled off. We've got about 1.5 leader attached to the jig head, 1/8 I believe, and we're using a Berkeley Gulp. This is a jerk shaft. All we're doing, casting it out there, let it sit for a couple seconds, pop it a few times. Wait a couple seconds, or 5 seconds, pop it.
Oh, and he's fish on, just like that.
Like that. Oh, he got
Oh, see these trout, they get so attracted to this smacking sound of the popping cork. It's like a feeding frenzy. Get them all riled up.
More sound, better.
So that's all we're doing. We've been out here for about, I don't know, 15 minutes. Already got 3 keepers. Yeah, catching babies.
Pounds,
3.5 pounds.
3.5 maybe.
Same thing, FP3 popping corks. Gotta go get yourself one.
This boy measures about, he's about 20.
Pinch that tail right there.
20. Look at all those trout.
3:48. Came out here about 1 o'clock. It's car limit.
No, we were out here about 1:45.
Really?
2 hours.
We're gonna try and go look for some reds, I guess. I don't know. There's not really reds in this water. It's pretty deep. green. Anyway, guys, I'll keep you guys updated.